Hello, hello YouTube. Matt Small Engines here. Sorry for the shaky camera. I'm on my phone. So I'm gonna show you my brand new toolbox with some tools in it and cart. The cart. So this is the cart. Here, I'll wheel it over for you guys, just so you guys can see it a little more. So that's the cart right there. I got my oil filter, oil funnel. Sorry guys. That's a lock for it eventually. It's a little rusty. Now, as you guys can see, I do have some tools. So put those in the ground. We'll go through those in a minute. So, oh, that's so dark. Basically, guys, I have my. Here, I'll show you guys everything. So that's my cat's toy. Show you guys everything here on the table. So first, I have two impacts. I have a 1/2 inch impact, and I have a thread-on one. Never actually heard of one of these before, so I don't know how it works. I have a bar, 1/2 inch drive. I have some Torx, like really big ones to really small ones. So yes, right there. So those are cool. And I got this thing. So I have multiple screwdrivers from slot screwdrivers to Phillips, all different sizes, from Robinsons, right there. I have some wire strippers, some bolt cutters, some NOR pliers, some adjustable 1/2 inch ratchet with some sockets, 3/8 extension. You guys see. Now I do have a socket set that is actually at my job site, because I work at a dealership. So yeah. Oh, that's the camera. So I do work at a dealership, so most of my tools are there. But right now, these are going home or to work eventually. Actually tomorrow, because I do work tomorrow. And yeah. So basically, guys, I'll show you guys here's my funnel, just a normal, everyday, funnel. That's for oil and stuff. And there's kind of a mess, but that's the toolbox. It's a good one. It's pretty old, but it's pretty good. And like I said, guys, right now I do have I don't have my sockets because they are actually, like I said, at work. But yeah, right now, guys, that is what I have with me at this moment. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, make sure you leave a like and maybe a comment. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And this is Matt Small Engines, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.